Engines can seem perfectly smooth one day and unpredictable the next. The EGR valve, a key component in controlling combustion temperatures and emissions, can silently cause serious drivability issues. Identifying its failure early prevents long-term engine damage and performance loss. So in this video, we will discuss 9 early signs and how you can prevent it. Number 1. Rough idle and stalling. A stuck-open EGR valve often causes a rough or uneven idle. When excess exhaust gas enters the intake at low RPM, it dilutes the air-fuel mixture, causing shuddering, shaking, or even stalling. In extreme cases, the engine may stall immediately after startup or at stoplights. Idle fluctuations are typically the first noticeable symptom, signaling that the valve may not be functioning correctly. Drivers might feel the engine struggling to stay running despite normal oil, fuel, and temperature readings, which indicates the combustion mixture is disrupted. Number 2. Engine hesitation or surging. Malfunctioning EGR operation can create hesitation during acceleration or surging at cruising speed. If the valve opens or closes at inappropriate times, the air-fuel mixture fluctuates, leading to inconsistent throttle response. Drivers may feel the car hesitate or lurch unexpectedly, especially when merging, passing, or accelerating uphill. This behavior occurs because the ECU compensates for sudden changes in intake composition, altering fuel delivery or ignition timing. Over time, hesitation or surging can make normal driving feel unpredictable and unsafe. Number 3. Lack of power. A stuck-open EGR valve acts similarly to a vacuum leak, reducing available oxygen for combustion. This results in sluggish acceleration, poor hill climbing ability, and a heavy-feeling throttle. Conversely, a stuck-closed valve raises combustion temperatures, causing the ECU to retard timing to prevent knock. Either situation reduces engine power and responsiveness, making the vehicle feel underpowered during everyday driving. Drivers often notice difficulty maintaining speed under load, slow acceleration, or a general feeling of sluggishness that accompanies other EGR-related symptoms. Number 4. Increased fuel consumption. A malfunctioning EGR can negatively impact fuel efficiency. When stuck open, excess exhaust gas lowers oxygen concentration, causing the engine to run rich to stabilize combustion, wasting fuel, and increasing emissions. A closed or partially blocked valve can also reduce efficiency slightly, as higher combustion temperatures require timing adjustments or extra fuel injection. Drivers may notice sudden drops in miles per gallon, even without changes in driving habits. Reduced fuel economy, when combined with rough idling or hesitation, strongly suggests EGR-related problems. Number 5. Check engine light. The ECU monitors EGR operation using sensors that detect temperature changes, mapper readings, or dedicated flow sensors. If the valve fails to open or closes excessively, the ECU may log codes such as P0401 or P0402. Secondary symptoms like rough idle or misfires may also trigger the check engine light. Pulling codes is essential to determine whether the problem lies with the EGR valve itself or associated solenoids, sensors, or vacuum lines. Consistent codes paired with drivability issues confirm that EGR inspection is necessary. Number 6. Pinging or knocking under load. The EGR reduces combustion temperatures to prevent spark knock. A stuck-closed or non-responsive valve allows temperatures to rise, producing metallic pinging or knocking under acceleration or heavy load. Prolonged knocking damages pistons, valves, and cylinder heads. Hearing knock under load alongside symptoms like rough idle, reduced power, or hesitation is a strong indication the EGR valve is failing and requires immediate attention. Ignoring this symptom can result in costly engine repairs. Number 7. Failed emissions test. Since the EGR reduces nitrogen oxide emissions, a malfunctioning valve often causes a vehicle to fail emissions testing. Tailpipe analysis or onboard diagnostics may reveal elevated NOx or hydrocarbons, even when driving seems normal. Carbon buildup, stuck components, or faulty control circuits can prevent proper operation. In areas with strict smog regulations, a failed EGR is a common reason for emissions failure, and addressing the valve is necessary to comply with environmental standards. Number 8. Hard starting. A valve stuck wide open can flood the intake with exhaust gas during cranking, producing a mixture too lean or diluted to ignite efficiently. This results in extended cranking, requiring accelerator intervention to start the engine. Once running, the vehicle may idle roughly or stall intermittently. Hard starting often occurs alongside rough idling, surging, or reduced power, making it an important clue that the EGR is not functioning properly and may require cleaning or replacement. Number 9. Engine vibrations or roughness during driving. Even at steady speeds, a malfunctioning EGR can cause uneven engine operation. Partial or intermittent sticking leads to vibrations or subtle shuddering while cruising. The engine may feel as if one cylinder is weaker than others, causing imbalanced performance. This symptom often accompanies rough idle, surging, or reduced power, confirming that combustion is being disrupted. Inspection of the EGR system, including solenoids, vacuum lines, or flow sensors, is necessary to prevent further issues.